Ikaw na!
Aw!
Dali!
Buruk. Ya, mau na ni.
Piti. Gondang.
Ay, sapos ko.
Ay, okay.
Dira mo pikagaon.
What's up sa sige. What's up sa inyo mga higala? So welcome back to my channel. It's B-Boy Bugoy again mga higala. Ngayon no. Tayo mga choy no, nandito tayo ngayon sa tinatawag nilang Little Batanes in Caguawan, Tabogon, which is it's our first time. It's not our first time. It's not our first vlog mga choy. Our first vlog kasi copyright tayo. Kaya ngayon gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong vlog. At ngayon may kinuha tayo mga choy, which is part of the Cebu Northside Vlogger, our tour guide for this moment. Agon! Agon! Asan ito? Ikaw na!
Aw!
Dali! Bro,
What's up mga choy?
Oh! Aw ba, katchat eh. Yes, what's up sa iyo mga gala? So nandito na po siya, nag-iisang ang walang, basta sige na, sudagan.
Oy, what's up mga choy? So, anong gagawin natin ngayon mga choy?
So ngayon agaw, so mga choy, papakilala mo na siya sa inyo. Sino ka ba?
Ako nga po pala yung anak ng aking ina.
Ay!
Ako nga po pala si Jefferson Singora.
Ay, okay.
Okay.
Your channel!
Aw! My YouTube channel is Kakosa Jeff. Come and grind.
Ay! So ngayon mga choy, no, ang gagawin namin ni Agaon Kakusa Jeff, gagawa kami ng isang vlog sa Little Batanes dito sa Caguawan, Tabogon, Cebu, which is siya ang tour guide. At ito ay English only.
English prank. Aw, kadili. English challenge.
Ay, so English only challenge mga choy. Hindi ka na, Agaon?
I'm ready.
Alright.
There's a motorcycle.
Alright! Let's go!
Bye-bye!
Iana ang kap.
Iyon sana kong kap?
Iana ang kap.
Okay.
Bring it on.
So, Agaon,
Oh!
this is our first station.
Ay, this is a gasoline station.
No, it's not gasoline station.
Okay.
You see there are so many men there. Motorcycle, they're trailing.
Are you sure they're all men?
Human beings. They are human beings.
Alright.
So,
Tabi.
what we're stand?
Huh?
We're at Little Tokyo.
Wow.
Show them.
Wow, little.
This is Little Tokyo. And the future house of vloggers. After this, go there.
On that top, that was...
Little Batanes.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so big. Say it's little.
Search it in Google.
See, do you have load?
Mutana. Sinti na sinti ka mutana.
I'm a tourist.
So you're a
I'm
tourist.
new here.
Okay.
I'm not old. I'm not new.
So Agaon, I will discuss you what is the road of what is the face of road there.
What is the face of road there?
The road there so very pump kanang batay ba? So so Agaon,
Aga.
this time I will show you the road. Go.
We show you the road.
Shout out Boss PB Tabiao. The trail riders. This is the road.
Wow!
Going to Little Batanes.
Nawa ilang karsadang may higala, guba pas yung relasyon.
Mga tanaw na may uyab.
Patay.
That is
That is first station agaon ngayon.
so.
Kaya
Agaw,
na,
this is our first station. First station. So now, we will proceed to our second station.
Yes.
Go! Ang namde tayo motor Agaw. Tanagon. So agaon.
Oh!
This is our second station.
My God.
Before we go to Little Batanes.
Oh, that's Little. Then? Little
So,
Sobi.
There's a landmark here.
Okay, Agaon.
Post of electricity.
Wow. So that post is the post of electricity.
Yeah, there's a wire.
In the wire.
Yes.
The elec's in the wire.
In the wire.
And the
No, in
wire
the
is and the wire is in the post.
post.
And the post is in the
Oh, you're so very intelligent.
the post is in the
Here, in the Little Batanes.
Alright, that was our second landmark. As our tour guide said, very fluent in mga choy.
Thank you so much.
What are we going?
Oh, what are we going?
So,
Let's
again,
go.
in the top of the Little Batan.
We go to Little Batanes, you will see the Little Tokyo.
Oh my God!
Yes, that's the first station that we stop.
Oy, the
And-
Little Tokyo.
The sugar cane plantations.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
And see here.
Oh, the sea.
Sea, yeah.
What sea?
Swim.
Sea?
Swim, yeah.
In
swim.
above.
In above. You will see sea.
Ah,
you will
above
see
sea.
sea, oh.
Alright.
That's-
Sea, swim.
Swim.
Ah.
There's a water there.
A, B, C, D.
Oh, C, A, B, C, D.
That's a water.
Oh, there's a water there.
Oh, what's water? C.
At sea. And so see the very overlooking view of the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
The puntod ba?
When you see the sea, you see.
The
Look.
look.
When you see the sea again on the top.
There's a look.
Oh, there's a look. Oh, either.
Look there.
Cedar.
Look there. Oh.
So, Little Tokyo.
Little Tokyo.
Where ends with the letter O.
Oh, Little Tokyo.
Ends with the letter O.
Oh.
Then there, look.
Look.
Oh, my God.
I got that.
Oh, you got that.
Oh,
Look.
look.
So, what's up mga choy? So, at this moment, we are in the second station as our tour guide said.
And now let's continue to the last station,
Which
which
is-
is Little Batanes.
Yay!
Yay! Let's go again.
Okay, let's go.
go.
Dito ah.
Uy, tuwar man dito again.
Okay, sige, mga choy.
Go mga choy.
Ah.
I will tour you.
Alright.
The Little Batanes. So, go.
So the visitors here again, what sa ilang buhat?
Picture taking.
So mga
Prenuptial.
Hey, brain up shots.
Mo ka na
Alright.
nakita nila lang forever ba?
Dito nila gagawin yung mga brain up shots nila para sa
Kasal.
Bunyag.
Bunyag. And also the real ride.
Ang trail ride, mga trail ride mga choy. Buka namin yan. So, bagong challenge again. So, magti-trail ride tayo ngayon to, which is a very challenging moment for the two stand, kaming dalawa. Challenging mga choy. So, ngayon, stand namin mag-trail ride at saka mag-trail ride. Oh, handa ka na ba agaw?
What is your motor again?
My motor is Neo.
My motor is Duki.
Hi! Wow, Duke. What's Duki?
Bro. Tabuning lens again.
Alright, let's go!
Collaboration ni Biboy Bugoy. Di man ko Joy, pero akong kayahon para sa iyang challenge. Wala ko kailangan kong kontra kay pagsikay siya now. Pero kayahon ako kay iyaman ng challenge ako pero kaya ni mga Joy. God bless us. Bye bye.
Ready na gan?
Mau na ni.
Piti.
Di agaun.
Sige.
Gunang
Ay, sapos ko.
Sige.
Dira ko pikagaon.
Ha?
Di do ko pikagaon.
Ay, nagan ka pratag mga amo. So what's up mga choy? That was the end of our vlog. Thank you so much. So before natin i-end itong vlog na to mga choy, pasasalamatan muna natin ang ating kaibigan, ang nag-iisa. Alright, a part of Cebu Norte Vlogger mga choy, si Kakosa Jeff, right?
Hi guys, I am Kakosa Jeff.
Alright.
Ug wala di, og dili pa mo, Tagalog kagaw na. At nang bago.
Sige.
Tagalog ka sa?
Oh, lagi.
Boy.
Ah,
This is me mga kakosa. So,
Right.
ang among vlog namin ngayon mga kakosa is nag-collab kaming dalawa kasi
Alright.
friendship. And also, isa din ako sa Cebu Northside Vloggers. And I just want to say thank you kay B-Boy Bugoy TV
Alright.
for inviting me as one of his, yung vloggers ba?
Alright mga choy, kasi back noise kasi natin ngayon yung mga motor namin kasi wala nang ilaw dito at gabi na talaga. And first of all, I wanna thank Kakosa Jeff, mga kaisda, at maraming salamat sa inyo mga choy sa pagtagiyit at please do subscribe his YouTube channel. Nandyan sa description box below ang link ng kanyang YouTube channel mga choy. Subscribe at maraming salamat at nabot mo sa diri sa part of video. Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Alright mga choy, this is again B-Boy Bugoy.
And Kakosa Jeff.
B-Boy Bugoy, mo papas mo tayo sa kasakit sa tagsa sa ninyo, kamahatugan. Dagan salamat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye sa
Bye-bye.
Ano ba?
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Another video no siya nasag mo klaro pero eta ko tayo sa nag inusara DJ nga may pagkatisoy biboy bugoy mo papasubog tang sakasakit sa tagsa ninyo ka mga madugan of chef ug mamatay ka ugma.
Uy, ginoon ko.